Good morning. Welcome to day 5 of your 7-day fast track. Today we're going to focus on pulling together some meals. Hopefully you've already kind of just jumped in and did what you had to do to have some great meals or some meal replacements, and you've gotten yourself into EFB. Because if you started on Monday, this would be your second day in EFB if you've had 4 perfect days. And you should be seeing some weight loss by now. And I promise, I think you can do 7 pounds in 7 days if you focus this for 7 days. From the first day you have a perfect day and remain perfect for 7 days. Okay, so what I'd like for you to do is I would like for you to watch videos number 7 and 8 today in the fast track videos, making sure that you mark yes that you have watched them. And then I want you to make yourself a personal list of your 10 favorite lean proteins and your 10 favorite fibrous carbs. Just doing that act helps you figure out this is a list that can be paired with this list, and I have a fast, fat-burning meal that I enjoy eating. Because on Planet Shibboleth, you don't have to eat anything that you don't like, but you do have to figure out what you like and what would go together. So if you will, take the time to do that. It'll help you greatly. The other thing I want you to do is I'm going to show you how to use the meal plan generator, because sometimes people just get stuck on what they should have, or they just need some extra examples, and this is something you can utilize. And then I'm going to show you our WOW challenges. Have you ever just wished that somebody would hand you a diet on a piece of paper and then you could do it? Well, the WOW challenges are kind of like that. So you could do a WOW challenge every day if you plan on following it to the T, because it is a challenge. And then I'd like for you to comment with this is going to be a fun one, with a 1, 2, 3 combination that you would like to make, a lean protein, fibrous carb, and energy carb combination that you would like to make. This is not the fastest fat burning combination, but it is a combination that will not take you out of EFB when you eat it, okay? So I want you to be familiar with those. So I'm going to share my screen. And we're going to go to the meal plan generator. So whenever I open up my computer screen, it comes to right here, my profile, just because I think that's where I originally saved my shortcut. So when you come up here to home, see this home button and this ribbon up here? We call this a ribbon. It's a ribbon of words. You click that home button right there. When you see that, look at this. Do you see those numbers? Increasing, pounds lost, inches lost, miles walked. This is people all across the country who are up this morning entering their pounds lost. If you look at this nighttime, it's not nearly going as fast because people, they get up and do this in the morning a lot. So that's what that number is. We have helped this many people lose this many pounds, this many inches, and people on Planet Shibboleth have walked this many miles. Amazing. And you can see some success stories right here, which is fantastic. We've got a prayer corner right here. But what I'm going to do is we're going to scroll down a little bit. You got to play with all those tabs. I'm not going to show every one of them today, but you've got to, or even this week. That's why you got to play with them. What I want you to do is come down right here. And if you need to make a one-on-one meal planning appointment, or this is where you book any type of mentor appointment right here. You click right there and you schedule it. That's included in your $50, okay? So, or your whatever you paid to get into Shibboleth based on whatever promotion was going on at the time, that is the link that you would choose to go to your mentor appointment scheduling. But we're going to go right here. Generate your own meal ideas. We'll click right there. And I'm going to have a start date of, I'm going to see if I can go backwards because anyway, I did that on the 6th, and I don't want to do just coach mode meals, but if you're in a gold member or above, you could do coach mode meals. Those are very strict meals. You could click there. I'm not going to do that right now, but see where it says type, and then you have this drop down menu. You could do simple, based on recipes, or mixed. Simple would be, things that are easy to buy in the store, Kroger Carb Master, yogurt with something, based on recipes would be all recipes. Every single meal would be a recipe. So I'm just going to do mixed here to show you the different types of things that you can get. Then you hit generate. Well, I guess it wanted me to start one today rather than backdate it. So we will choose today. I'm going to hit mixed, hit generate, and there we go. Delete that. So I just deleted that because it was telling me I already had one started for that week. There we go. Okay, so what you do is you see breakfast, 1 cup cottage cheese, and it tells you what to do. You may have 1 cup of low-fat or fat-free cottage cheese as a meal. And look right there. If you want to add that to your grocery list, you click there and you add it to your grocery list. Or in the end, after you have confirmed this, you can print this list. And it will print out with little boxes just like that, so you can check it off when you get it at the grocery store. And then this next meal idea says egg whites or a protein shake with 1 package of weight control oatmeal. This is a category 1 + 2 + 3 meal. Have as many egg whites as you'd like with 1 packet of weight control oatmeal, or 1 serving of a category 1 protein shake with 1 packet of weight control oatmeal. If you are having a protein shake, be sure to choose one that is listed category 1 as opposed to one that is listed only as a meal replacement. That's important. It will have less than 20% of calories from fat, and it will have no more than 5 grams of net carbs. That is important. This is why you read those things. And then you have your grocery list. Or you could do Healthwise hot chocolate, up to 3 packages, any flavor, with or without 1 teaspoon of ghee butter. You may have up to 3 packages of Healthwise hot chocolate with or without 1 teaspoon of ghee butter as a coach mode meal. Healthwise hot chocolate is available at our Ciabola store. And then there's a little list right there. Now let's say that you don't like one of those. Actually, what I'm going to do is just keep reading and we'll go back and do that. Lunches. This AHS stands for Advanced Health Systems cheesesteak pasta, 2 packages. You may have 2 packages of AHS cheesesteak pasta as a coach mode meal. AAH products are available for purchase at our Ciabola store. Or you could have a peanut butter and jelly wrap, 2 tablespoons of battered peanut butter or any -1 weight loss meter approved peanut butter, 1 tablespoon sugar-free or reduced sugar jelly, and a 50-calorie La Tortilla factory tortilla or any other 50-calorie tortilla, 2 slices of Ciabola high-protein brown bread, or 1 slice of any approved category 2 bread. So you could choose your bread type item on there, and you want to read how to utilize that. You may make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with any of the approved peanut butter and any approved category 2 bread, but the weight loss meter will be different if you make selections other than the ones recommended here. I mean, I love this. They tell you exactly what to do to get the best results and let you know that if you choose to do something else, your results might just be a little bit slower. And then, Wendy's chili with half of approved peanut butter sandwich. And we also know that you could also have it with a side salad from Wendy's if you're there, because I don't think they serve peanut butter sandwiches. So this means you'd have to have that Wendy's chili at home to serve it with this peanut butter sandwich, or take it with you to the restaurant. So I'd probably just order a side salad there if I was going out. Dinners, they've given us a recipe here. The buffalo chicken dip, it lists out every ingredient you would need. It lists out the recipe, the ingredients, and the directions right there. Chicken fried rice, you get your recipe, your ingredients, your recipe, your ingredients, the directions. And you could have grilled chicken with hemp flakes and hemp oil dressing or MCT oil. You may have this meal as a coach mode meal. Counts as a 1 + 2 + MCT. And remember, 1 + 2 + MCT and 7 + 2 + MCT are the fastest fat burning meals. If you don't have any hemp dressing, you can use MCT oil. Great energy, flavor, and appetite control. Hemp flakes are available for purchase at the Ciabola store. So those are things. And then you've got some snacks listed here. Here's some asparagus roll-ups if you wanted to have those made. Then you've got Wassa crisp and light crackers with 3 of those with 2 tablespoons of fat-free cream cheese. Then you've got some freebies listed here. A dill pickle, raw cucumbers or cucumbers sprinkled with Bragg's apple cider vinegar, salt, and pepper, sauteed yellow squash. Okay, so those are some options there. Well, let's say that I'm just going to leave the freebies there on their own. I'm going to leave the snacks on their own. But let's say that you don't really like or want a Wendy's chili with half approved peanut butter sandwich. And let's say that you're not interested in that and you're not interested in that, okay? So I just clicked 3 of them just to show you what happens. Then you go back up here and you click generate new items. Once it generates the new items, you can go back and read there. Egg whites in an orange. As many scrambled egg whites as you desire. Consume in zero drag MCT oil or 0 calorie cooking spray. Season to taste with 0 calorie seasoning. Combine with half to 1 orange for a delicious coach mode meal. Now, y'all, I want to point out to you right now, that does not necessarily meet our combination rule. This is considered a perfect pairing. It is one that doesn't meet the formal rules, but it still works if you follow the way that it's written here. And keep in mind, when you're cooking egg whites, you won't need a full tablespoon of MCT oil to cook them in. You would drown them. Just do enough to cook it. And then I also chose this one. This one says Quaker Weight Control Oatmeal with Carb Master Milk. Use Kroger Carb Master to cook your weight control oatmeal in, or have a glass of Kroger Carb Master with your oatmeal as a 1 + 2 + 3 perfect combination meal. You may also use fat-free Fairlife instead of Kroger Carb Master. And then let's see, I changed it up right in here, and I really can't tell what it changed. But I know I took off that Wendy's chili. But anyway, there's that peanut butter wrap there. There's our Healthwise hot chocolate. Oh, that moved that from a breakfast item to a lunch item. It's very random, okay? So this is just the type of thing that you can look at to get ideas. And then once you like what you've gotten here, you can regenerate it as many times as you need to. Once you like it, you hit confirm. And then once you've confirmed it, you can hit print. And I'm going to save it as a PDF because I want to put it in the group. So I saved there, but you could print it and see how when you print it, you could just check these things off as you get them in the grocery store. Or if you click on these links, it's going to take you to the store and you could add it to the grocery list from there. It's also going to give you a lot more details about it. And it gives you any linked recipes to that particular item. And look, the egg whites one goes on and on forever. And it also shows you where to buy it. So, but this is member data. So if people haven't taken the time to enter that, then the information is not going to be there. So I hope that y'all have enjoyed today. Oh, and I also want to show you WOW challenges. So for WOW challenges, you click on Wall Breakers and Challenges. And then right here, WOW Challenge Meal Plans. WOW stands for War on Weakness. So this is those times that you might utilize this after a holiday. That would be a good idea. Or if you just don't want to plan your meals and you just want to eat one of these, then you do it. You can heart your favorites once you have read what it is. But I'm going to go to some of my favorites. I'm going to click that right there. We're going to click on Kim's Cheesy Challenge. Travis made that one for me. You read what it says to do. Turkey breast and cheese omelet using only approved ingredients. And then lunch, you can have an approved shake or skip lunch. I usually have an approved shake. Dinner, turkey breast and cheese omelet using approved ingredients. And that would be my 3 meals, okay? These WOW challenges are designed for you to lose up to 1 pound in a day. And they're also used to kind of get you on track, but back on track for maybe some holidays so that you can say, yes, I can do this. And yes, I'm determined to do this. So what happens is you click accept right here that you want to do it. You click the date on which you want to do it. And then you hit that green accept button right here. When that happens, it shows up in your journal that you're having a WOW day. And at the end of that day that you've completed it, go into your journal, into the challenges section of your journal, and you click completed, and you'll get a badge for that. And you'll see so many people that have hundreds of WOW challenges completed because they utilize this as a way to meal plan. And so when they've completed that challenge, they also use it as a way to develop their discipline and behavior modification. So every time they click that they have completed it, it increases their number on their badge in their Shibboleth profile. So what I'd like for you to do today is look through here and tell everybody a wow challenge that you would like to eat, along with a lean protein, fibrous carb, and energy carb that you would like to eat. And I hope that y'all have a blessed and wonderful day.